Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Education and Teaching series, we're talking about something incredibly meaningful: inclusive and special education. In every classroom, students are unique. Some may learn faster, others slower. Some may speak different languages, use wheelchairs, or need extra support. The goal of inclusive education is simple: make sure every student has the chance to succeed, together. Don't forget, you can explore the full playlist by clicking the link in the video description below. What is inclusive and special education? Inclusive education means welcoming all learners, regardless of their physical, intellectual, social, emotional, or linguistic differences, into mainstream classrooms. Special education refers to specific programs, services, and teaching methods designed to support students with disabilities or special learning needs. Inclusion is about equity, not just equality. It's not about treating every student the same. It's about giving every student what they need to thrive. Why is it so important? Because education is a human right. In the past, students with disabilities were often separated or excluded. But today, educators around the world recognize that diversity is not a problem to be solved. It's a strength to be embraced. Inclusive education builds empathy and respect among all students, prepares learners for a diverse world, boosts confidence and independence in students with special needs, improves outcomes for everyone, not just those with disabilities. UNESCO and many governments now support inclusion as the gold standard in education. Common special needs in classrooms. Students may need support due to learning disabilities, e.g. dyslexia, dyscalculia, physical disabilities, e.g. cerebral palsy, mobility impairments, sensory impairments, e.g. deafness, visual impairments, autism spectrum disorder, ADHD, or emotional behavioral challenges. Each learner is different, and support must be personalized. Inclusive strategies. Teachers use great inclusive classrooms use differentiated instruction, teaching in different ways to reach all learners. Assistive technology, like screen readers or speech-to-text tools. Visual aids and hands-on materials for multisensory learning. Collaboration with special educators, therapists, and families. Positive behavior supports to help students build confidence and social skills. You don't need fancy tools, just compassion, creativity, and commitment. Real-life example. In Canada and Finland, most public schools follow inclusive models. Children with and without disabilities learn side by side, with support systems built into the classroom. This model improves academic results and builds stronger, more compassionate communities. Why future educators must understand this? As a future teacher, you will teach a classroom full of differences, abilities, cultures, languages, and emotions. Inclusive education is not an option, it's a responsibility. Learning how to support all learners makes you not just a better teacher, but a better human. What's next? In our next video, we'll explore multicultural and inclusive education, teaching diverse classrooms with respect to culture, language, and ability. Be sure to subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comments, and check out the full playlist in the description. Thanks for creating a more inclusive future with us here at the Learning Studio.